Namaskaram. I'll be singing Bhairavi Varnam in a unique way. So the talam that I'll be singing in is called Panchanada, which includes 5 different nadas. So the first kriya is in Chaturashram, Takka Dhimmi. Second kriya is in Trisram, Takkitta. Third is in Mishram, Takkitta, Kitta, Takka. Fourth in Sankirnam, Takka, Dhimmi, Takka, Takkitta. And the last fifth kriya is in Khandam, Takka, Takkitta. So all together is Takka, Dhimmi, Takkitta, Takkitta, Takka, Dhimmi, Takka, Dhimmi, Takka, Takkitta, Takka, Takkitta. Sari padani sari gama bada bama daba ini da da baba mani da ni padani baba dani sari ni da ma ni sari ni ga baba da ma ba dani sari ri sani da sa ni da baba ma ga ri sari ni da vi ri bu o